Right, welcome back to Made by Manj. It's been a while. Today I'm making a drill bit box. You can see on your screen now. You can make this box for drill bits, parts, jewellery, potatoes, whatever you want. Right, as you guys can see, I've got my didgeridoo, pocket hole jig, 3 pairs of collars for it and the drill bits, countersink bits and Forstner bits. I bought all these separate, so it'd probably be best now to make a box for them all. And to start with, I am going to use a lot of my scrap pieces. I've got this, which seems to be a good size for a base. So let's go. 23 should be fine. So we'll trim this down a little bit. Now I've got another scrap piece of 9mm ply. I'm going to tear that down to make some sides. As you guys can see, these are going to be my sides. So now I just need to trim these down to length. Right, let's have a quick look. About there. I'll give this one a little bit more. And we would cut this down about there.
Just pull out. This one I need to now be careful it doesn't tear out.
Lovely. So as you can see, that is now going to hold our bits 1.5 for 6.5. 1.5 for 6.5. Is that visible? Lovely. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There is the collars. Right, so for these bits here, I'm going to have them slotted into a long piece. Right, I'm back. Had a bit of a wasp problem. Saw one fly in and then he went in one of the gaps in the ceiling. Turns out he had a wasp nest in there. I was scared, so I went inside.